Hey everyone, welcome back to the homestead. Today I am in the Rabbitry. I spent most of the morning back here just getting things cleaned up. I clean back here about once a week, especially in the winter time. I try to get out here when we have warmer days and get everything cleaned up, because when it's frozen it's a pain in the butt to clean. So today was a bit warmer and I got out here and got everything clean, and I thought I would give you guys a bunny update today. I know I haven't been back here and shown a lot of content this year. The greenhouse kind of took the spotlight this year. About 8 weeks ago, we had 3 bunnies kindle. So we had 3 litters of bunnies for a total of, I believe, 10, 14, 17 babies. They are just about 8 weeks old, a few days shy of 8 weeks. So we're going to be weaning them today. I'm going to be sexing them and getting them off into their own cages to give mamas a break. They did a wonderful job and they so deserve it. So we're going to be getting them separated today. And then I have 3 other mamas who are due in about, let's see, 3 to 4 days, and then another one that's due like in 5 to 6 days. She was bred a little bit after the other 2. So I'm gonna get some nest boxes ready today as well. So let me show you guys our current litters, and then I will show you how I get my nest boxes prepped, and then we will get the babies separated out into their own cages. Let's go. So here is Miss Cobbler. She had 3 beautiful babies. Hi, sweetie. So depending on if we have 2 boys or 2 girls, the doe will most likely stay with mama, but we will see what their genders reveal. So this is my first mama. Big yawn. Aren't they so sweet? And everybody's thirsty over here. But this is my second mama here. They're not interested. I'm currently filling up their waterer, so they are super thrilled with some fresh water right now. But she had 10 babies, and they are all doing wonderful. And then my third mama is Duchess. She had 4 babies, and then the little blue one here belongs to Wisteria. I gave her to Duchess to kind of take the load off of Wisteria a little bit. So those are the 3 litters of babies I currently have. Let me give you guys a walkthrough and just kind of show you everybody else. So this is Miss Primrose. She's one of my mamas who are due. Hi, sweetheart. This is Blue Spruce. He's one of my bucks. Hi, buddy. Hi. I know. Yeah. This is Speedy down here. Hi, Speedy boy. He's also one of my bucks. Huh. This is Miss Eden over here. She's not one for pets. She is not bred this season, but she's doing well. She's enjoying the time off. Hi, Bam Bam. This is my biggest male. He's almost 13 pounds, which is actually a little oversized for his breed. These guys are American Blues. He should be about 12 pounds, so he's a little overweight, but that's okay, huh, buddy? This is Cobalt. Hi, buddy. As you can tell, my males are way more social than the females. They love their pets, huh, buddy? Yeah. And then this is Ravina. Hi, sweet girl. You just lounging? Huh. She's another one of my pregnant does, so she'll be getting a nest box today. And then this is Mr. Nova. He is the father of Duchess's babies up here. He's a very sweet boy. Huh, Nova? Yeah. Hi, Nova. And then this is Cypress. Hi, Cypress. Hi, buddy. Yeah. And then this girl is Penny. She's a little bashful. Hi, Penny. We believe she is pregnant as well. We believe she is a Flemish Giant mix. We bred her with Bam Bam in the hopes of getting some nice big babies that we can use for meat this year. But we shall see what she gives us. So now that I kind of showed you everybody and who is expecting, let's go ahead and get the nest boxes ready and get those in with the expecting mamas. Now what I do with my nest boxes, mine are solid bottomed. I can leave a link up here somewhere for you guys to how I made those. And then what I do to get them ready for the moms is I put a piece of cardboard down in the bottom, and then I put a layer of wood chips along with some hay for her to bury her babies in. So I already have the cardboard in my boxes, so all I have to do is put the wood chips in and the hay and then get them in with the moms. Okay, so these are my nest boxes. As you can see, I've already put some cardboard down in the bottom, and now we're just going to put some pine chips in each of these boxes. So these all have wood chips in them, and now we're just going to put some hay on top and then give them to the mamas.
What way I had to pull it.
You should move, sweetheart. Scooch. Can you hold that? Hold that nest box. You should move, sweetheart.
Like there's babies in it?
No. There you go, Mama. Right there. This Penny's box. Here's Primrose with her box. She'll start digging around in there and getting it all ready for her babies. And Ravina is down here. Oh, already digging in it. Hi, Mama. You getting ready? So as they get closer and closer to their due date, they will hay stash. They'll pull more hay out of their feeders, and I'll give them a little bit of extra, and they will stuff that into that nest box and dig it around and get it how they like it just for their babies. And then usually either the day before or immediately after they deliver, they will start pulling fur and making that nice soft warm bed for their babies. So all of my moms have been good fur pullers so far, so I'm not concerned about that at all. Ravina has had babies for me in the past. She did great. Primrose and Penny are both new moms, so we shall see how they do. So the next thing that I wanted to get done today was get the babies switched over. I am going to start with Wisteria's babies. She was the one who had 10, and I want to give her some more room in her cage. So I'm going to start with them, and we're going to be moving them over to these empty cages over here. They have a bigger feeder, more watering nipples in the back, and so they're just set up a little bit better for the babies. So let's go ahead and get started. So Wisteria gave us 6 little does. Hey, sweeties. Sorry, guys, the lighting in here is awful. It's getting dark. And she gave us 3 little bucks. Hi, boys. Hi. Now for Cobbler's babies. So Cobbler gave us 2 boys and a girl. So for right now, I'm gonna leave her daughter with her because I need to get Duchess's litter weaned out as well. I want to get all the boys out of her pen. So we're gonna be putting the boys over in their own cage. So let's go ahead and grab Duchess's babies. so that is all of the babies. Duchess gave us 50-50. She gave us 2 boys, 2 girls.
That just gave us 50-50.
Cobbler, so gave us 2 boys and a girl. And Wisteria gave us 3 boys and 6 girls. So I'd say that's a pretty good group of babies. So I am excited to see, because it's a girl. I'm excited to see what Primrose gives us, and Ravina, and Miss Penny. So all I have left to do tonight is get the babies some food and hay for the night, and that's pretty much it. So that's a little update on our Rabbitry, the babies. I do want to give a update on the watering system and how it's working during these colder months, but I'm going to do that in a separate video when I have a little bit more daylight. So if you guys have any questions about our bunnies, what breeds we have, my breeding schedule, any of that, go ahead and leave them in the comments below. I love interacting with you guys, and I love my bunnies, so I'm happy to share all of my bunny tips and tricks with you guys as I learn them. Don't drop them. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and remember to grow where you're planted.